Brought to you in part by Mountain View Auto Group. Prepare for the off-road. And also by...
We were getting ready to head out, and it turned out that Jason had a couple of things that he was needing to get fixed on his truck before he headed out. And then I had a patron of the Buy Mart here told me that one of my lights was out. So after diagnosing it, I determined that the LED light on this side was just bad. So now I'm in fix-it mode myself, and so Gary is kind enough to wait for me. And so hopefully soon we'll be on our way and we'll be able to actually get carried on. But the Jackery is proving its use once more. I've got a nice solder iron going here and utilizing the AC outlet on the Jackery to do some soldering. As you may know, when you're going through water and everything else, you don't want just the typical electrical connection. You really want it to be as waterproof as possible. So in the process of soldering, I'm also putting the heat shrink tubing on it to hopefully secure that connection. So anyway, once I get this, we'll be on our way. So I'm told that you can't come to Sisters, Oregon without getting one of these. Now, I'm not sure what the requirement is and why this is a necessary feature of Sisters, but sometimes I have determined that you just have to come and lick your cone. And so I'm gonna take care of that, and I'm gonna have a burger. And then I think at that point, Gary, we can probably officially take off on our adventure because we will have satisfied the needs of Sisters, Oregon, right?
Yep, absolutely.
All right, so here we go. So this is one of the things I love about Oregon. So we were in the city of Sisters, I don't know, 15 minutes ago, and now I feel like I'm in the middle of nowhere. It only took about 5 miles or so to get on dirt. That's a far different experience than we have back home. So this is really cool. It's just, there's roads everywhere to take, and I absolutely love it. The other thing I like about it too is you're up at the top, but you don't have as much canopy to obscure your view of the mountains. It's pretty easy to get a nice shot of where you're actually at. So we're at 6,389 feet. If I'm not mistaken, that's only maybe 500 or 600 feet short of Clingman's Dome. I believe Clingman's Dome is one of the top. I think it's close to 7,000 feet. I don't think it's 7,000. It's somewhere in there.
Well, we've made it to camp. Although Jason hasn't made it to camp. We keep trying to raise him on the ham radio. But so far, we haven't heard from him. I was able to send him an inReach, but he doesn't have an inReach. He's looking at getting one. There's cell service come and go. I'm trying to decide what I want to fix for dinner. And for now, I just wanted to take a moment to enjoy this beautiful sunset. The mosquitoes currently are a little fierce. This is a new gadget that I just got. I see it's finally doing some vapors. And I think you gotta wait a certain number of minutes before it's supposed to make a kind of an area. But it's the thermocell, and a lot of people use those. This is just a different shape. It's not the wand looking one. It's supposed to have the same, if not better. Of course, I got one right there. So I guess the jury's still out. But to be fair, I haven't given it enough time yet. Now, I have sprayed myself. We make a bug repellent out of essential oils, and for the most part, it does it. The problem is it doesn't, as you can see from that guy, you have to spray every inch of you, especially all of your exposed skin, because it doesn't really make a boundary like the thermocell does. So yeah, the mosquitoes are going to be interesting tonight. So with any luck, I haven't sprayed my face yet. I really thought I could get away without doing that, but at least it's non-toxic. Anyway, I'm going to sit here for a few moments and then probably going to cook dinner in the dark, but I got lights, so I just don't feel like doing it just yet. So I'm going to sit here and enjoy. I hope you enjoy with me. Jason's finally wandering into camp. He's probably thinking he's going to come in and get the spot he normally gets, which is mine. That's not going to happen. He's just going to give up and be right there, isn't he?
Yep.
Looks like he's finally made it. After all the dilly-dallying around. There he is.
Just waiting. I'm not even recording. I just want to look like I am. Dueling phones. Phones up in the air. I see your phone is as big as mine.
I can't see you anyway. Good morning. Well, there's nothing like fixing a hot cup of coffee and camping directly on the water. So Jason made it in last night and we had a real quick dinner and just kind of enjoyed the peace of the night. This lake is absolutely gorgeous. It was a fun little ride to get in here, and we pretty much have it to ourselves. I know there's some other campers around the way, but literally I've seen no one since we got here. So Gary is with us, and of course Jason, and we're really enjoying this time. We're going to spend some time here, and we should be moseying on to our next location. Well guys, I think that's going to do it for this video. I hope you've enjoyed the trip here and some of the beauty that Oregon has to offer. If you like this video, please like the video, and if you'd like to be notified of the rest of the series of this while I'm in Oregon as well as on my way back, consider subscribing. I'd love to bring you along. Until next time, as always, make life amazing.
Super amazing.
I was gonna take a bite, but that's okay.
My tube fell off. Stop the recording.
Oh my gosh.